Drivers in Manipur lifted their cease work strike after holding another round of talks with the Chief Secretary, POLs and Bulk LPG cylinder tankers drivers yesterday. The drivers and the Chief Secretary had signed an agreement during the meetings held in the presence of the representative of the transporters and retail outlets. Following the agreements, POLs and Bulk LPG tanker drivers have resumed their service from today. The agreement was signed by the Chief Secretary, IOCL's state-level coordinators and a representative of the coordinating committee. As part of the agreement, stringent security measures should be placed on the national highways. There will be enough ROPs and convoys of tank trucks would be escorted by the CRPF. In case of the casualties or fatalities due to the compensation would be given according to the existing rules, and such cases will be given special treatments according to the agreements. The strike was launched after tankers were attacked by the armed miscreants some days back.